pretty good progress prepping for the extended baggage kit. As you can see, the ELT has been relocated, and that took a little bit of work, but I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. So here we are, looking at the harness. You can see it just kind of pops up through the floor right there. Pretty simple looking when it's all done, but yeah, that was some work. And then I took that wiring that was coming out of here, popped it out back side of this bulkhead. Also went through and zinc chromated the inside of my fuselage, which looks a lot better. I've got some kind of khaki colored paint to match that, so I can finish that off nicely later. That patch in the bottom came out really nice, so I don't have a hole in the bottom of the fuselage anymore. Still kind of dirty, need to clean all that stuff up, and I don't know, maybe I'll paint one more section and then just leave the back all nice and shiny. But anyways, that's it, moving along. Next up on the docket is to do the actual baggage kit install. Pretty excited. Stay tuned.